Welcome to Kitpichay Vitaya School online class. Hi kids, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to read and write large numbers.
We're gonna talk about reading and writing numbers up to 100,000th place. For example, we have this number 38, 425. So how are we going to read and write this number? Reading and writing large numbers is just simple to do, as long as you know how to read and write up to 3-digit number. This is because large numbers are just composed of 3-digit number separated by comma. So these 3-digit numbers are named with groups. We have ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, so on. So in this case, we have two groups, thousands group and ones group. So there are infinitely many groups, but let us just focus on up to thousands group. So now let's read and write this number. So we read and write from the left going to the right. So we have 38, but then since it's in thousands group, then we will put 1000. So that is 38,000. And then we will move on to the next group, which is 425. But since it's the ones group, you don't need to put ones in the last part, or you will read it as 425 ones, because it's not necessary for ones. So we read it as 38,425. So how about this? We have 107512. So let's read and write this number. Let's start from the left with the thousand group. So this is 107, and since it's in the thousand group, we put 1000. And then the next group, we have 512, and since it's in the ones group, you don't need to put ones. So this is 107,512. How about this? We have words and we want to write it in symbols or numbers. So the procedure will be the same. It will be written from left to right, and still we will do it by group, where the group will consist of up to 3-digit numbers. So let's start with the 45,000, that is one group of numbers. So let's write 45, and then because this is one group, so we will put comma as a separator from the other groups. Then let's have the next group. We have 381. So let's write it 381. So that's how you write 45,381. Another one. So we have these words, and let's convert this or write this to symbols or numbers. So we have this group first, 192,000. So let's write 192, and to indicate that this is one group, so let's put comma. That means this is the 192,000. Next group, 763. So let's write the 763, and that's the ones group. So that's how we write 192,763. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned from this video.